In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new arrivals collection in Shopify, allowing you to showcase your latest products with ease. Now, there are two straightforward methods you can use: an automated process using product tags or the manual way of adding products individually. Let's dive into the step-by-step process, starting with the automated collection, which is the recommended approach for streamlining your workflow. First, you'll want to create a collection. To do this, navigate to your Shopify admin. Click on Products, then Collections, and select Create Collection. Name the collection New Arrivals. Here, it's important to choose Automated as the collection type. Next, you'll set a condition. This involves adding a condition where product tag is set to New Arrivals. What this means is that any product tagged as New Arrivals will be automatically included in this collection, saving you the hassle of manual updates. Now, for the magic touch, you'll need to install Shopify Flow from the Apps section. Once installed, create a new workflow. Begin by using a trigger set to product created. From here, you'll add an action to add product tag with the tag New Arrivals. Then, insert a wait action for your desired duration, say 30 days, giving your customers enough time to check out your latest offerings. Finally, add an action to remove product tag with the same New Arrivals tag. By following this automation, your New Arrivals collection will update itself, keeping it fresh and relevant by adding new products and removing them after the specified time period. To further enhance visibility, feature your New Arrivals collection prominently on your homepage or add it to your navigation menu, guiding your customers directly to your newest products. If you prefer a hands-on approach, you can opt for creating a manual collection. Start by heading to Products, then Collections, and click Create Collection. Name this one New Arrivals too, but this time select Manual as the collection type. Next, manually click the Add Products button and pick the new items you'd like to include from your product list. Just like with automated collections, display this collection on your homepage or include it in your navigation menu to maximize its visibility. Remember, there are key considerations to keep in mind when creating either type of collection. Automated collections are generally more flexible and manageable over the long term, especially if you're dealing with a large product catalog. If you're using Shopify Flow, ensure that the tags you use in the workflow align with the ones set in your collection's conditions. For both automated and manual collections, consider sorting your products by newest to ensure your latest additions are always at the forefront. Lastly, don't forget to select your active sales channels to ensure the visibility of your collection to your customers. By placing your New Arrivals collection on your homepage, you'll draw much-needed attention to your latest products, enticing customers to see what's new in your store.